Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Nokia 216 feature phone. This is a dual SIM feature phone. You can see what the phone actually looks like, one of the retro design phones. There are three variants. We'll find out which one this is in a while. Let's see what other information is there on the box first. There's some information at the back. This is a dual SIM Nokia 216. It's written as mentioned earlier. Comes with, I'll give you a closer look. Comes with Opera Mini browser, games, apps, Facebook, weather app, SD card support up to 32 GB, which is great. FM radio, video player, torch, selfie and main camera with flash. Comes with a 2.4-inch display. This is going to be a QVGA display. Also, there's some extra information here like up to 18 hours of talk time and 19 days of standby time, which is substantial to say the least. Let's open this box and see what the phone actually looks like now. This is what the interior looks like. There's a step-by-step setup guide on how to get started with this particular phone. In a different video, we will show you how to do that. Let's just see what is there in the box now. This is the phone. There you go. This is the standard feature phone design. This is a button that you press to turn this device on and off, but I can't do it right now because it has no battery in it. The battery is provided. I'll show it to you in a while. Now, and also notice that it's a numpad. That this is a numpad and not a QWERTY keyboard. This is your 2.4-inch display. It's pretty big. It's almost like it's like 50% of the phone itself, which is not bad. So the batteries go. Okay, there's a camera over here. This is for your selfie purposes. It's probably a VGA camera. We'll take a look. And the battery goes in over here. This is your dual SIM card phone, as mentioned earlier. You will notice there is a 3.5mm jack for when you want to listen to music or FM radio, and this is your charging port, a USB-C type. Sorry, it's not a C type. This is a micro USB charging port. Let's leave this here and take a look at what else is there in the box. This is the battery. This is a 1020 mAh lithium-ion battery. There you go. I'm going to insert this and leave it to one side. There you go. You set a Nokia logo. And we are good to go. There you go. You can see this is the micro USB charging cable. There you are. Nokia logo is right over here. And it also has flat wire, which means it's not easily tangled. Kind of tangled free if you want to look at it that way. I'll leave this one over here. What else do we have? Earphones. A pair of earphones. This is a great touch. You will need this to listen to music. Finally, we have a quick guide. So this is it. This is all you will find inside the box containing the Nokia 216 dual SIM phone. Thank you for watching.